What's up, guys? It's your boy DJ Side Effects coming to you live from the office. I am going to be unboxing the OfficeJet Pro 9025. It's a smart business printer. Has a bunch of cool features, smart tasks, designed to save time on printing because it's a little quicker than a lot of other printers. It has enhanced security, reliability for your connection so you don't get hacked. It has a little touch screen, so we're gonna go ahead and get into it. I kind of already pulled it out. It's a pretty cool little unit. One of the cool things I saw, it actually has a handle when you pull it out, so you could easily just remove it from the box, which was pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up the camera and we're gonna get unrevealing. So it actually comes with your basic cable that comes with your HP standard printers. So they come in with the 962 XL or 966 is what you could replace it with. But these ones are the 962s, I believe. But yeah, it's kind of wild. They come in kind of smaller cartridges than I thought they would, but very good. You got your color of blue, and then of course your red, yellow, and then your big black cartridge. But I am going to pop these in, and then I will continue with it. So that's pretty neat. The little cartridge slot slides out. So what I'm gonna do is unhook these, and then I'll start video recording whenever I get them unwrapped. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the cyan, which is the blue. And what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and pop it in there. I believe you see it has these indentions right here, which the little white pick right there, you can see right there, the little see-through plastic will actually go in the bottom groove there and clip in. So let's go ahead and pop this guy in. Alrighty, got the blue or the cyan in. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but you guys will live. Same thing here, little grooves, they go into little spring-loaded ink cartridge holder. Boom, just like so. And then we'll put the yellow in. Same thing, you got your little grooves, just drop it in there. Slide it in, slowly drop it, boom, spring-loaded, so it just drops right in. Then you got your black, same thing. You just drop it in there like so. And it just slides right in. Easy peasy. Now we just close that guy. Boom, it's gonna say checking the printer and the ink, so it's doing its thing. Pretty cool, and then you have your little indicator that you're online. So that's pretty neat. So yeah, guys, this is the HP OfficeJet Pro 9025 business printer. Very good. I'm gonna load printing paper and see how she prints. Guys, so I just saw that it gives you a little video on the screen how to load the paper. I don't know why you would need that, but that's pretty neat. Pretty cool. So to load this paper, you just clip this clip that comes in here that pushes it down. Pull this all the way back, all the way back here, and then you're gonna load your paper. Just like so. Sorry guys, hard to do it with one hand. Then you're just going to push the sides together. Drop this middle piece in so it kind of keeps all the papers in. And then you're good to go. Pop that in there. It's gonna say install ink and it's ready. Push OK. If you would, the complete setup, if you need to know how to do with software, if your computer's not adapted with the HP software, it doesn't read it, you can go to 123hp.com and check it out. If you need any assistance, comment down below if you do need help setting it up. Should be pretty good. It's pretty self-explanatory and easy. Let me go ahead and, it says get software, but I already have the software, so I'm just gonna continue on with the installation process. Alright guys, so what I did here is I just went to connection, which if I can get there we go, Wi-Fi. So it shows you my connection now, but if it weren't there, you go to wireless. You go to wireless setup wizard, click that guy, and it's going to take you through the steps, appropriate steps to find your modem. And then once you find your modem, then you're able to enter your modem password, get online. And then once you get online, all you got to do is go to your computer, go to your settings, go to add device or devices, printer, scanners right there, and then add a printer or scanner, and then it's going to see which one it's picked up on Wi-Fi, and then that's it. It just adds and downloads the appropriate software, which is kind of what it was telling us before. And then that should be it. If you need to download any drivers, it should say right over to the side, print, download print drivers, if you need any help there. And then boom, loaded. So we're good there. I'm gonna test print, and then that's gonna be the end of this video. All right, so how to test print. What I'm gonna do is just go down to the printer you just added, which mine should be this 9020 manage, and then it's gonna show right over here. You're gonna see test print. So I'm gonna test print a page, one document in queue. Boom, you hear it? And then here we go, it's saying printing. So it should be good. I'm actually gonna pull this guy out, I won't lose it. Wow, test print done. So that is how you unbox, of course, you know to unbox, and set up your HP OfficeJet Pro printer. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Follow my YouTube channel if you like the content. And yeah, have a good day.